So ano-ano yung mga covered critical illnesses? Ito yung 10. Right? Any type of cancer, number 1, coma, end-stage lung disease, heart attack, HIV, kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, stroke, terminal illness, and then vital organ transplant. So itong 10 na to, ito na yung major, 10 of the major illnesses or usually cause of death kung illness yung naging cause. Alright? So in case of diagnosis of any of the 10, mawawave na yung premium kasi 20 years to pay, so hindi mo na kailangan magbayad kahit nakadalawang taon pa lang, di ba? Or, yun nga, makaka-claim ka ng 250,000 na lump sum kung 250k yung coverage mo. If bigger then yung makukuha mo. Please take note that the critical illness and the enhanced waiver premium are subject to a 90-day waiting period. So, ibig sabihin, kung hindi pa, kunyari kumuha ka ngayon, hindi pwedeng bukas magka-critical illness sa kagad siya, most likely pre-existing siya. But kung 90 days, beyond 90 days, alright, so parang clean case na yon, makaka-claim ka. And then may 14 days na, yun nga, waiting period in case, kasi kunyari, nagkasakit na heart attack, tas namatay din ka agad, life insurance na lang yung makukuha. Alright? Pero kung nabuhay ng 14 days, makaka-claim for critical illness, makaka-claim pa for life insurance. Alright, so those are the things na makikita mo dito or yun yung mga benefits na meron. No? So ang ganda ng plan kasi hindi na lang siya pang savings, no? Multi-purpose siya. May pang savings, may pang disability, may pang accident, may pang critical illness. So it covers yung mga concerns mo. May life insurance pa. Technically 5-in-1 kasi endowment nga siya. May makukuha kang payout din every 2 years for the rest of your life. So, pwede mong panggastos in the future, pang education ng anak mo, pang retirement mo na, for whatever purpose that you would want to use, di ba? It will give you the freedom for guilt-free spending. Pwede kang gumastos nang hindi ka nag-worry kung okay bang gumastos kasi nga, na-save mo na to in the future, rewards mo na ito. Di ba? Ganun siya.